This is the top page.
Okay, so here we are at Algorithmic Intuition. This is an algorithm visualization tool that can be used to teach students intuition for understanding tree traversals. Charles he's experiencing first pass at this demonstration here. So Charles, if you could please click on tree traversals. What you see here are a set of questions that we have decided will help students develop intuition for a given algorithm. And what we mean by intuition is that a student should be able to answer questions without necessarily having to look at the code. That is, in our understanding, intuition, the ability to think at a high level without having to go into the nitty-gritty of code and algorithms, to capture the essence of the high-level aspect of an algorithm. So Charles, if you can click on what will be the order of traversal for DFS for the given tree.
What DFS?
What do you think about this question here?
Basically, it's asking what order will the nodes be selected, and then we choose from A, B, or C.
What was your experience like as a computer science student learning this algorithm for the first time?
I guess it took explanation a few times from the instructor to actually understand it.
Okay, we'll skip that then.
And
so
then
click here to see visualization. We'll skip all the explanation. Click here to see visualization. Okay, so here we have two different types of visualizations for tree traversals. Now the question we just saw was what? What was the question that we were just looking at? Which algorithm was it?
Look for depth first search.
Okay, so why don't we go ahead and click on depth first search here. Without explaining too much, what did we just see happen?
I guess it, picked the nodes in a specific order, starting from the top. And then it went from left to right, going as far as it could, far down the tree as it could, before it went to the next node to the right.
Let's go back to the exercise. Now, without having to look at all of the, counting all these notes here, just look at those answer choices and click on the visualization if you need help again, and then select an answer that you think makes sense here. Why did you pick that answer?
Well, you can just look at, the first three nodes from this one, because the red dot started from the top, went left to 2, then down to 6. And so that's the, the first one that matches it. And if you keep going, you see 7 is the next one, 8, 3, in that order from left to right.
All right, let's go back to chapter. Click on what will be the order of traversal for BFS for the given tree. Off the top of your head, can you answer those questions in, let's say, 1, 2, 3? No, can't answer it. Click on visual. Let's see visualization. Click on that one. Click here. Okay. Now let's, you decide.
It would be for breadth first search for this one. I can see that this one is going from top to bottom, left to right.
Go back to the exercise. Why'd you pick that answer?
Just that those numbers follow that order that they were selected.
Okay. All right, so let's go back to chapter. Click on which of the following answers describes DFS traversal. Okay. Pick an answer. And be completely honest here. Did you really read the code?
I didn't.
Why?
Because I already understood it from the picture, from the animation.
Okay, go back to chapter. Click on the BFS question. Why didn't you have to go through all the code?
Yeah, I already understood it from the animation for this one as well.
Okay, go back to chapter. All right, so that's the first pass of algorithm visualizations using tree traversals. And, what are your thoughts here, Charles?
Yeah, it definitely helped make it, easier. I could understand, I'm sure, faster than I would have tried to read the code first.
Now, we've been working on this project, but was that the first time that you actually saw those questions?
It is.
And did you find that the visualization helped you?
Yep.
Okay. All right, we'll stop the recording here.